Let's make it happen, guys. This is two-box break 2017 Gold Rush Hall of Fame jersey, and this is two-banger 119. Let's do it. All right, Jonathan B down to Ted K. Let's copy and paste it in. Here we go, guys. Good luck. 160 is the roll, and that is correct. Perfect. All right, there's 1, 2, 3, Razzle Dazzle 4. There's 5, 6, and 7. Look out. All right, Chris L down to Gabe Z. Let's do the players next. Till whenever, man. Usually I try to go to like 2, 3, or 4 on weekends, man. Just depends on how, how the breaks are flowing. All right, Robin Yount. We'll be here, buddy. We will be here. All right, Michael Irvin down to Pudge Rodriguez. All right. All right, guys, very long list here. We'll scroll through slowly. Everybody can check out their names and players. Uh-oh, Joe P's back. All right, guys, there is our list. All right, guys, any questions on players, please let me know. Otherwise, we'll roll it here in the two-banger. We will roll it. All right, here we go, guys. Good luck. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Everybody call it. Everybody call the jersey. Who you think it might be. Dun, dun, dun. What is this? Got the Leaf cert. It's old Bill Walton. Check that out. Bill Walton. It's pretty awesome. Let's see who's got that guy. Let me see who's got old Bill. Right, and that's spot number 134, Natasha S. That's coming out to you. Nice one. Right there. Spot 134. Nice hit. Bill Walton autographed jersey. All right, let's see what's in box number 2. Box number 2. Very heavy box. What is this? JSA, and it is, oh, there's Troy. Nice. Troy Aikman. That is outstanding. Check that out. Oh, Troy. Super smoking Chad. Let me see who's got old Ake. I always say that love the guy as a player, hate him as an announcer. So, great football player, horrible announcer. That's my opinion, of course. And that is Gabe Z coming out to you. Gabriel Z. That was coming out to you. Spot 127. Nice hit, man. All right, guys, that is Gold Rush Hall of Fame jersey number 2. 2 banger 119. Thanks for joining.